Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanta Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will start with chapter number 3, Mechanical Properties and Elastic Constant. Learning outcomes. By the end of the chapter, the students will able first perform to evaluate mechanical properties according to Indian standard. Second, identify type of deformation for given type of load with justification. Third, calculate strain and axial deformation in each direction under the biaxial and triaxial stresses. Estimate resilience, modulus of resilience, proof resilience for given case. Type of load with action. Direct load. A load whose line of action coincides with the axis of member is known as direct load. Direct tensile load, first one. When equal and opposite pull type of load or load acting on a body, then it is called as direct tensile load. See the figure. Before action and in after action. Okay. Second, direct compressive load. When equal and opposite push type of force or a load acting on a body, then it is called as direct compressive load. See the figure. Push type of load. Both the arrows are inside. Before action and in after action. Continue next page. Eccentric load. A load whose line of action does not coincide with the axis of member is known as eccentric load. See, load is acting away from the center line, so that load is known as eccentric load. Okay. Shear load. When equal and opposite tangential load acting on a body, then body will shear off. It is also known as shear load. Okay. Before action and after action figure is shown. Torsion load. The load which produces torsional or twisting effect along with the member is known as torsional load, which is acted tangentially to axis of a member. Mechanical properties of engineering materials. These mechanical properties of metal includes elasticity, plasticity, ductility, brittleness, malleability, toughness, fatigue, creep, hardness. Also, strain and stiffness are the important properties of material. First, elasticity. It is defined as property of material by the virtue of which it regains its shape and size on the removal of external load. Example, mild steel, aluminium, copper, rubber, etc. Plasticity. It is a property of material which does not regain its shape and size on removal of external load. Example, soil, rock, concrete, etc. Ductility. It is a property of material which can be drawn into the wire with the application of tangential force. Mild steel, aluminium, copper are the ductile material commonly used in engineering practice. Malleability. It is a property of material which permit materials to be rolled or hammered into thin sheet. Lead, soft steel are malleable material commonly used in engineering practice. Brittleness. It is a property of material for breaking, fracturing without much permanent distortion under load. Continue to next page. Toughness. It is a property of material to resist the fracture due to high impact load. Toughness required strain as well as ductility, which allow a material to deform before the fracturing. Hardness. It is a very important property of a metal, has a wide variety of meaning. It is the ability of a material to resist wear, stretching, deformation. It also means the ability of metal to cut another metal. The hardness of the metal may be determined by the following test: Brinell hardness test, Rockness hardness test, Weaker means diamond hardness test. Fatigue. The phenomenon of failure of a material under the repeated loading is known as fatigue. This property is considered in designing shaft, connecting rods, spring, gears, etc. It is called as endurance. Creep. When a part is subjected to a constant stress for a long period of a long time, it will undergo slowly and permanent deformation is called as creep. Creep continues as long as load applied. These were the mechanical properties. Now strain and stiffness. Strain. It is the ability of material to resist the external applied force without breaking. The maximum stress that any material will withstand, called as ultimate strength. Stiffness. It is the ability of material to resist the deformation under stress. The modulus of elasticity is measure of stiffness. Stiffness of a spring is measured and a time of design. Factor of safety. It is term describing the load carrying capacity of a system beyond the expected or actual loads. Factor of safety is equal to yield stress upon working stress. Thank you.